Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today you are going to learn how to create paid Telegram channel. So you must open your Telegram and in the search button I'm gonna tap and write invite member. Okay, this is a bot that is gonna guide you through this entire process, but by now I'm gonna show you this process here in this video. So I've deleted some projects, but I'm gonna show you that you're gonna be received with this. So I'm gonna add a project and this project is gonna be named test and this is gonna be a paid Telegram channel, right? So first what you must do is create a private Telegram channel. So here in Android at the bottom of your screen you have this blue pencil, tap on it, create a new channel. I'm gonna name it as test. The description, this is a test. And now tap on done on top of your screen. This is gonna be a private channel and that's it. Tap on done on top of your screen and here you can add some subscribers, but I can skip this process and that's it. I've created my private channel, so I'm going back and going to invite member chat and tap on done. Now what it must do is add this bot, invite member bot, to the channel admins. So I'm going to my channel test, tap on the name on top of your screen and tap on administrators. So here I'm gonna add an admin, search button, and the admin is gonna be invite member. So at the end of this list, you have the option add new admin. So I'm going to check activate this option, tap on done on top of your screen. And that's it. Now you have invited this invite member bot as an admin in your channel. I'm going to tap on done. Now what you must do is to connect the channel. And so you must forward a message, any message from that channel to this bot. So I'm going into my channel test, I'm going to write test and I'm going to forward this message to invite member chat. Okay, so I'm going back and now I have this option. What currency would you like to charge your customers in? You have some default options like dollars, euros or bitcoins or more if you want, but by now it's going to be in United States dollar. How often would you like your members to pay? So every month. You have more options obviously. And how much will they pay every month? So by now this is going to be just $5. So now what you must do is open a chat with @botfather and create a new bot. So you must write /new bot and copy and paste the bot token here. Okay. So if you don't have that bot, you must tap on the search button and write bot father. This is it. I have done this process earlier, so I'm gonna tap on menu and create a new bot. So, all right, a new bot. How are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. So this is gonna be named test. Good. Now let's choose a username for your bot. It must end in bot like this. For example, Tetris bot or Tetris _ bot. So I'm gonna just write this bot. And I have this token. Use this token to access the HTTP AIP. So I'm going to copy this, go back to invite member and paste the token. Okay, your membership bot is almost ready. You're going to receive 2 links. The first link is for web, email, or social media, and the second one is for Telegram chats, groups, and channels. Okay, what's next? You can follow that, okay? I'm not going to follow it by now. And one final step before the launch, please add a payment option to your bot. So, okay, I will do. So this is going to show me my project test. And I'm going to tap on payment options and I have a lot of options. Obviously, if you tap, for instance, in PayPal Live with the padlock, you must give your username and your password to receive those payments. But by now I'm going to make PayPal test, and that's it. With PayPal, you'll be able to accept payments from customers, blah, blah, blah. Connect to PayPal test, and you must continue the process with this payment option, and that's it. That's how you can create a paid Telegram channel.